Realme 3i, the latest budget smartphone by the Chinese manufacturer, went official recently in India. The smartphone features a diamond-cut design and packs some decent set of hardware. The device comes with a starting price tag of Rs 7,999 in India and is going up for sale starting July 23. We have the retail box with us and let's see the contents inside. So this was a quick unboxing video of the Realme 3i. Stay tuned with us for the comprehensive review of the device. For more latest tech-related updates, please like, share and subscribe to our Gizbots YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.